Okay, I'm going to take another topic of this chapter number 14 mensuration, that is surface area of cuboid. Surface area of cuboid. This is a cuboid. Okay. This side is called length. This is breadth. Okay. This is smaller one is breadth. Again length and breadth. This is one face. Okay. Bottom. And this is top face. Top and bottom are same. Okay. And what is this line is height. Okay. This is height. This is length. The smaller one is breadth, and this vertical line is height. Okay. So you understood this is bottom and this is top and bottom faces. Okay. So this is just like a rectangle. Okay, so its area will be L into B, and top face it is also L into B. Now come to this left face and right face. They are actually same. Now what is the area of this one? This is breadth and this is height. Yes, breadth and height. So what will be the area of this left face? BH. And same will be this side. This is also BH. Okay. Now come to the front face. Front face, this is L and this is H. L and H. Okay. So area of front face will be LH, and back face is just like front face. So if area of front face is LH, back face is also LH. So total it has 6 faces, top and bottom, left and right, front and back. Total 6 faces. So area of all the 6 faces taken together is called surface area of the cuboid. Okay, it has 2 faces, top and bottom, whose area is LB and LB. Total 2LB. 2 walls, left side and right side. Okay, area is BH and BH. See, I have told you this is BH. Okay, then front and back. Front and back, LH plus LH. Okay, 2 times LB, 2 times BH and 2 times LH. This way. Okay, and 2 is taken out common. So LB plus BH plus LH. This is the formula of area of 6 faces of cuboid. Understood? This is called surface area of the cuboid. But it is not necessary that all the time a cuboid is closed from all the sides. Okay. Suppose this top face is not there. ये है ही नहीं. ठीक है. So it has only one bottom whose area is LB. So area of only 5 faces if top is missing. Okay. So LB plus 2BH, 2 side walls, and front and back 2 faces. Okay. Only from here one face is missing, that is top is missing. But suppose top is missing. Suppose in any situation like a swimming pool. Okay, in swimming pool all the 4 walls are there, very clean bottom is there, but from the top it is not closed, so it has only 5 faces. Okay, so swimming pool is example of cuboid having 5 faces only. Okay, and in some cases bottom is also missing. Okay, bottom, suppose there is a room and that room is to be whitewashed, and you know whitewashing is done on the 4 walls and ceiling or roof of the room. ठीक है, कोई ज़मीन पे पुचाड़ा मारता है क्या? वाइट वॉशिंग तो वहाँ होती नहीं है. ठीक है. सो ओनली 4 वॉल्स एंड रूफ, उसको ही वाइट वॉश करना पड़ता है. ठीक है. दैट टाइम ऑल्सो दिस फॉर्मूला विल बी अप्लाइड. एरिया ऑफ 5 फेसेस. Understood? and suppose you have to just find area of 4 faces, सिर्फ 4 ही फेसेस निकालना है, टॉप एंड बॉटम बोथ आर मिसिंग, दोनों ही नहीं रहेगा, ठीक है, ओनली 4 वॉल्स एंड स्पेशल नेम इज गिवन, इट इज कॉल्ड lateral surface area. Okay, if you have to find only area of 4 walls means you have to find lateral surface area. Okay, means LB is not there, only 2BH and 2 LH. ठीक है, now 2 is common, H is also common, so what are the things left? B and L. You arrange it, it will become L plus B. Okay, one more time arrangement is done, since all are in multiplied form, so we can write this H here, okay, on the extreme side. So it takes the form of 2 into L plus B, and this is what? Perimeter. 2 into L plus B is what? Perimeter of rectangular base into height. Okay, so you will apply this formula whenever you have to find area of 4 walls or lateral surface area. Okay, so where will you apply all these formula? In worksheet number 3. Okay, see, suppose you have to solve question number 2. Question number 2 has a cuboidal room, okay, whose 4 walls and ceiling are to be whitewashed. Length, breadth and height, everything is given, and all are given in the same unit, meter. Okay, it's good that you don't have to think about converting all the dimensions in one unit, they are already in same unit. Okay, so first you will find area of 4 walls using this formula, 2 into LB into L plus B into H, lateral surface area, isn't it? 4 walls, L is given, B is also given, L is 5 meter, B is 4 meter, okay, and H is 3 meter. Then first solve the bracket and then multiply. After that find area of ceiling. You know ceiling is just like a rectangle, length into breadth. Okay, so area of ceiling is L into B and values are given 5 into 4. Okay, then total area to be whitewashed 54 meter square, all the 4 walls and ceiling. Got? Then what is the cost of whitewashing? At the rate of rupees 50 per meter square, means for 1 meter square you have to spend 50 rupees. For 74 meter square, just multiply. Okay, then there is a question where length is given in meter but breadth and height they are given in centimeter. Okay, so here you have to use this conversion series. This is given in meter, here is meter, and you have to change it into centimeter, means you have to move 2 steps up. ठीक है, जब ऊपर जाना होता है तो मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, सिंस यू आर गोइंग 2 steps up, for 1 step 10, again 10, तो 10 tens are 100, so multiply it by 100. Okay, you will get 50 centimeter, and this cardboard box is closed from all sides. Okay, so a closed cuboidal box has total 6 faces, so use this formula, 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. See this one, area of all 6 faces, this one, 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Okay, then values are given, L into B, तो put the value of L 50, B 25, ठीक है, L into B, then B into H, and then L into H. Now see, first you will multiply because you have to apply BODMAS rule. ठीक है, first multiply. Okay, here also multiply, here also multiply, and after that add. Now bracket is solved, multiply it by 2 which is outside, multiply, and this is the answer. Next question, question number 5. There you have to make oil tin, okay, by tin sheet. What is tin? Tin is also a metal just like iron. So iron is a metal, tin is also a metal. So this tin is used to keep oil, for storing oil, okay. So how much tin is required, tin sheet is required to make one oil tin, okay, one box. How much tin sheet is required to make one box? Length, breadth and height, everything is given in this form. In the question they are given in this form. The first one is length, second one is breadth and third one is height. Length, breadth and height. Okay, now find area of all the 6 faces by using this formula, 2 into LB plus BH plus LH, and I am not solving it, this you have to solve by this method. Okay, you will solve it, you will get something. So this is the requirement for making, this is the requirement of tin sheet for making one tin, but you have to make 20 such tins. So again you will multiply. Okay, next question. There is a swimming pool, okay, and just see, swimming pool has 4 walls and a bottom, okay, it doesn't have top. From the top it is not covered, so it will be said, it is said that it has only 5 faces. Clear? So its length, breadth and depth is given. स्विमिंग पूल का गहराई दिया हुआ है, ठीक है, डेप्थ ऑफ द स्विमिंग पूल इज गिवन एंड दैट डेप्थ विल बी टेकन एज हाइट. जितना वो गहरा है तो उतना ही बॉटम से उसका हाइट होगा, ठीक है. तो डेप्थ इज एक्चुअली हाइट. ओके, तो फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ 5 फेसेस. तो सिंस देर इज नो टॉप फेस, ओनली बॉटम इज देयर, ओनली 1 टाइम LB, देन 2 टाइम्स BH, 2 टाइम्स LH. यू नो, पहले मल्टीप्लाई करते, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मल्टीप्लाई एंड देन ऐड. नाउ फाइंड आउट कॉस्ट ऑफ सीमेंटिंग द स्विमिंग पूल एट द रेट ऑफ ₹35 per meter square. Means for 1 meter square you have to spend 35 rupees. So for cementing 580 meter square, how much money is to be spent? Just multiply. Okay, कॉस्ट निकालने के लिए तो कॉस्ट से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. ओके, now in next question, there is a cube, ठीक है, whose dimension is given what? It has all the sides equal, so length 4, breadth 4, height 4, and one more similar cube is there and both the cubes are fixed together. ठीक है, when they are fixed together, then you see that this shaded face is not surface. अब ये सरफेस नहीं है क्योंकि ये इन लोगों के बीच में आ गया है. नाउ दिस इज नॉट सरफेस, ठीक है. एंड टोटल ऑन अ होल इफ यू विल सी, व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज अ क्यूबॉइड. एक क्यूब और एक बगल में क्यूब को अगर सटा देते हैं तो क्या बन गया? एक क्यूबॉइड, ठीक है. 2 cubes are joined together. Okay, now this face is not considered as surface. Now count how many faces are there. 1 bottom is there, top is there, left and right faces are there, front and back, so total 6 faces are there. Now see length, 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter, so total length is now 8 centimeter, but there is no effect on breadth and height. Breadth is 4, height is also 4. Now find total surface area of the cuboid by using this formula. This I have left, but you have to complete it. Okay, and as I said in the beginning, you will be able to solve, after watching this video you will be able to solve question number 2, 3, 5, 6 and 8. Okay, so solve these questions. This is your homework. Thank you.